Good morning, class 10th. So today we continue our exercise 7.2. That the question number 4th we have to do. Now fourth question is find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Fourth question. That minus 3 comma 10 this point and 6 comma minus 8 this one is divided by this point minus 1 comma 6. We have to find the ratio. Now listen, whenever we have to find the ratio, we have to take k ratio 1. K ratio 1. Now a formula was there that I will write here. Formula is what? If suppose a line is given, here the point is x1 y1, here the point is x2 y2, and if the line divide in the k ratio 1, then the coordinate of x and y will be what? Directly you can put the formula is in book also. I will mark the number, page number. That kx2 upon x1 plus x2. Formula is kx2 upon k plus 1, this one. This one will be the formula. Kx2 plus, when the line divide by the k ratio 1, then the coordinate of point P will be what? Kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. This formula I will apply it here. Okay. So I come on the question back. So what is the coordinate of x here? X will be equals to that kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, and the coordinate of y is ky2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. So this one will be the x1 y1 and this one will be the x2 y2. Now kx2, this will be x and y. So kx2 means 6k plus x1. x1 is minus 3 upon k plus 1, and the value of x is what it is given in the question, minus 1. Now 6k plus minus 3 upon k plus 1. Now this will be multiplied here. Minus 1 multiply k, minus 1 multiply 1, minus 1 is equals to 6k minus 3. Now it will be shifted here. Minus 1 plus 3, 6k plus 1 plus k. It will be 2, 7k. So 2 upon 7 is equals to value of k, means 2 upon 7. So the ratio will be 2 ratio 7. You can write like this. 2 ratio 7 will be the ratio line divided by it. Now fifth question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A and B minus 1 comma 5 and 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5. Fifth question. Fifth is one comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. Here x-axis, now it will be k ratio 1, that only x-axis. Now the point is what? When the line divided by x-axis, the y coordinate is what? 0. Okay, the y coordinate will be 0 and x1 we don't know, so I will take as a. Same thing we have to do. Okay, same formula we have to do. But if I apply the x1 formula, listen carefully, if I apply the x1 formula, kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, then I don't have the value of x, because here the value of x is what? a. I can't put this value here. So I will take the y1 formula because here the y value is given now 0. So I take the y1 formula, that y is equals to k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Y value is what? 0 is equals to k y2. Now k, this one x1, y1, x2, y2, and x and y. Now k y2, k into y2, it will be 5k plus y1 minus 5 and k plus 1. Now this whole multiply to 0. Answer will be what? 0. 5k minus 5. 5 will be shifted here, equals to 5k. 5 divided by 5, it will be k value is what? 1. So the line divided is 1:1. This will be the answer. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Now you have to find this coordinate also. This coordinate also we find, because now you have the value of m1, m2. m1 value is 1, m2 value is 1. Now simply you can find the formula by applying the section formula. X is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, because now we have the value, we have the ratio now, m1 m2 we have. So directly you can find the value of x, and y is the 0 only. So fifth one you can do this one. Now sixth question. Sixth is, if sixth is, if 1, 2, 4, y and x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Okay. What are the vertices? 1, 2, 4, y and x, 6 and 3, 5. Find the value of x and y. Now here we will use the concept of midpoint formula. What is the concept? Suppose a line is given, that AB, okay, x1, y1 will be the coordinate of this, and x2, y2 will be coordinate of this. Suppose this will be the point. If we have to find this point C, and he said in the question this is the midpoint, so what is the value of x and y here? X value is x1 plus x2 upon 2, and y value is y1 plus y2 upon 2. This will be the formula. Okay, if the midpoint is given, and we all know the diagonals of a parallelogram. The diagonals of a parallelogram intersect each other at in equal parts. Okay, these are equal. So this will be the midpoint of BD and AC, both having the midpoint of this one only. So now what can you do this? I have to find this midpoint. If suppose I applied this one, x1 plus x2, if I go for this 1 plus x upon 2, here x value is not there, so how can I take this one? Okay, now I take this one, 3 plus 4. Now I can find this one. So this one I will take the point A and B. If I have to find the point A, here I will go 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 upon 2. It will be what? 7 upon 2. So the value of A is what? 7 upon 2. And the value of B, y1 plus y2 upon 2, if I applied here 5 plus y. So here I will can't go. So I will go from here. 2 plus 6. Now okay, 2 plus 6 upon 2. So 8 upon 2, it will be 4. So A value is what? 7 upon 2, and B value is what? 4. Now again, if I apply this one, what will happen? If I apply this one, 1 plus x. Look at that. 1 plus x upon 2, what the answer will come for this? 1 plus x upon 2, this will be the answer only came. So it will be equals to, must be equals to A. And now I have the value of A also. If you know that, 7 upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the value of x will be 6. 1 will be shifted there. 7 minus 1, 6. Similarly, I applied this one, 5 plus y. 5 plus y upon 2. What will be the answer? B. Now what will be the value of b? 5 plus y upon 2, it will be 4. Now 2 4s are 8. So 5 plus y is equals to 8. Now 8 minus 5, the value of y will be 3. So x value 6 and y value 3. So these are the values of x and y. So after that only 4 questions left that we discuss in the next class. So thank you all of you.